Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect BonkBot to Phantom Wallet. Now, in order to do it, you first need to open your Telegram mobile application or your desktop app, and you can even use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on BonkBot. Now, once you are in your BonkBot, you just have to simply click on the wallets option, and here you will be able to see your wallet address that BonkBot created for you. Now, if you are looking for connecting your existing Phantom wallet with BonkBot, unfortunately, that isn't possible. However, there is a workaround that you can use in order to basically connect your BonkBot with your Phantom wallet. So in order to do it, you just have to simply click on the export seed phrase option over here, and then it will show you this type of warning where you need to click on the I understand I can only export once and proceed. So once you click on this option, you will be able to see your private key in front of you. So you need to copy that seed phrase or that private key from here. Then you need to open your Phantom wallet application, or you just have to simply click on the Phantom wallet extension of yours in your desktop. Over here, you need to just click on your profile icon in the top left hand corner and click on this plus icon. Now you need to select the third option, that is import secret recovery phrase. So here you need to click on it, and here you need to provide the secret recovery phrase that you copied from here. If you chose the private key option, then you just have to simply click on the plus icon and select the private key option. Here you need to give your private key a name. So here you just have to type BonkBot, and here you need to paste the private key from your BonkBot, and you are done. This way your BonkBot will be imported in your Phantom wallet, and with the help of your Phantom wallet you will be able to easily access your trade and make trades over here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.